कनेक्टेड कंपनीज हैं, स्ट्रेटेजिक कंपनीज हैं, बड़ी कंपनीज हो सकती हैं, उनके लिए आप प्रोटेक्शन तैयार कीजिए। तो ये हुई इकोनॉमिक साइड पे। अब डिजीज साइड पे, डिजीज साइड पे आप लॉकडाउन के बाद आपकी एग्जिट स्ट्रेटेजी क्या होगी, आपकी टेस्टिंग स्ट्रेटेजी क्या होगी, आपकी मेडिकल स्ट्रेटेजी क्या होगी, आप पीएचसीज को, हॉस्पिटल्स को रैंप अप कैसे करोगे, क्योंकि आपको वो लॉकडाउन खुलने से पहले करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन के बाद डिजीज का अपटेक होगा, डिजीज बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगी, तो आपको अग्रेसिवली उसको काउंटरैक्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये डिलेड एक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए, ये इमीडिएट एक्शन होना चाहिए। मुझे काफी दुख हो रहा है कि आज तक जो फूड सप्लाई हमारा गोदाम में है वो लोगों के हाथ में नहीं पहुंचा है। मुझे थोड़ा डिस्कंफर्ट हो रहा है कि जो हमारी स्मॉल एंड मीडियम इंडस्ट्रीज हैं उनको आज मालूम हो जाना चाहिए कि उनके लिए क्या किया जा रहा है, क्योंकि ये अब नेशनल इशू है, सिक्योरिटी इशू है।
थैंक यू हक साहब। IANS न्यूज एजेंसी से सईद जी आप अपना सवाल पूछेंगे और फिर हम अलग अलग पत्रकार मित्रों के पास जाएंगे। सईद जी अनम्यूट करिए अपना माइक प्लीज।
सईद जी
IANS से Are you here?
Sir, can I ask a question, sir?
Sir, please unmute your mic first. I'll have to go live.
Yes, I have unmuted.
No, you don't unmute your mic. Please let first.
I think. Okay, right now. Okay.
Saeed is not there, I think, sir. You can move on to the next person.
Can we go to Sandeep Fukanji from The Hindu? Sandeep ji, please unmute your mic and ask.
Am I audible?
Sandeep Fukanji from The Hindu.
Yeah. I have unmuted.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Yeah,
you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, Mr. Gandhi, in your tweet sometime back, and also in your letter to Prime Minister, you had suggested that India should prepare an India-specific policy.
Yes.
Keeping in mind the complexities of India, you also hinted at a partial lifting of the lockdown. Can you actually suggest more concretely what the government can do? Because from next Monday, they are anyways relaxing several industries from the 20th. So you have some concrete suggestions in mind to offer?
I think number one, it should be a strategic opening. So you open particular key areas, you use testing to identify, and this is where the point of ramping up testing is important. You use testing to identify dynamically which are the hotspots, and you clamp down on those hotspots. But you create two basic zones in India, a hotspot zone and a non-hotspot zone. And you use testing to identify the places which are becoming hotspot. So you make sure that if any zone is moving from a non-hotspot zone in terms of the disease, you immediately clamp down. So that would be how you would think about it. Because realize that at one level, when you lock people up, the disease gets locked up. When you open the door, the disease will come rushing out. So that was on the medical side. There is going to be a massive financial backlash that is going to come. You're going to see the first waves of unemployment, and then that will start to spiral. You will see massive pressure coming on our financial system. So you will have to set up structures and manage your funding so that you don't get caught. Suppose you spend all your money right now immediately, and then you have a financial crisis. Later in a few months, you've got a real problem. So you have to think strategically and you have to move strategically. Certainly you have to spend a significant portion of your money in protection of people. See, for us, life is the most important thing. And we cannot simply let our people be under these circumstances. So we have to protect human life, but we also have to make sure that we, in protecting them from the virus, that we don't destroy our economy completely. So it is a dynamic, constantly moving strategy. That is why I get worried when I see very blunt instruments. I would have liked a lot more power decentralized to the states. I would have liked a more detailed conversation between the states and the Prime Minister with regards to the strategy with the lockdown. But fine. I mean, there's a particular style that Modi ji has, which is fine. One can work around that style.
Thank you, Sandeep ji. Can we have from Hindustan Time, Aurangzeb ji? Can you unmute your mic and ask question, please? Hindustan Times.
Sir, he may not be there in the video. You can. Okay. He sent you the question. You can ask the question that he sent you.
I'll then, sir, read out the question that he has sent to us. Aurangzeb ji from Hindustan Times wanted to ask: everybody accuses the PM of centralizing everything, centralizing everything, but he has been engaging with chief ministers as well. What do you have to say? Also, have you suggested your CMs to deal with migrant population specifically? That's the question, sir.
Sorry, can you repeat the first part, the control
yes,
part?
Sir. Aurangzeb from Hindustan Times, sir, wanted to ask: everybody accuses the Prime Minister of centralizing everything and controlling it, but he has been engaging with the chief ministers, including those of the opposition. What do you have to say? And secondly, he said that what's your suggestion to deal with the migration population?
The best line I have heard in my conversations was that COVID cannot be controlled, it has to be managed. It has to be dynamically managed. And if you manage it properly, then you will be able to fight it back. But if you try to control it, you will not be able to control it. There's a difference between management and control. I think one needs to go beyond conversations. One needs to actually start.